Hi everyone, this is another computer video in the computer video series, and this video is on information technology, or IT. In this video, I'll talk about what IT is, and why it's important, and also some IT jobs that are out there. So let's get started. What is IT? Information technology is the storing of data on the computer. This is very broad, as it includes basically all what we have talked about in previous videos, such as storing files on your computer, using the browser, applications, websites, the CPU storing data and instructions, and so on. Also, you might hear people say, I am into IT. This means that they pursue IT as a career, where they write software and code applications for an application they are creating, or for a project of some kind for the company they are working for. For instance, if someone works for a healthcare company and is in the IT sector of that company, he or she may write software to scan MRI tests that doctors have taken of patients, and the software that is created might be able to identify the results of the tests instead of the doctor having to go through the test and give out a diagnosis for the patient. Also, there are many other applications in the field of IT, and it is thus a booming field right now. Why is IT important? So really quickly, I just wanted to talk about why IT and IT jobs are so important. Well, IT and software created by IT professionals allow the work in many fields, if not all fields, to be reduced and allow for information to be spread across the world. For instance, like I talked about just now, when IT developers create software that can scan MRI tests and yield results, this saves time of doctors having to analyze the tests, and it also provides for more accuracy, avoiding human error. Furthermore, take an IT job in statistics, for example. When the government is collecting all the statistics from all over the country about topics such as unemployment, crop yield, housing situations, the IT pros take that information and run it through applications and software they create to analyze it. This is a time-efficient method of analyzing the information that helps not only the government to understand the position of the country, but also the people of the nation to understand what to do about these results, and much more. So, what are some IT jobs? There are many job options for those who are looking to go into IT, and there's a large variety too. For instance, these jobs may vary from someone who finds the issue in a software while the application is being run, to someone who is very well versed in the technological standpoint and uses these skills to help guide a team of IT professionals to create a product with a limited budget and limited time, also known as a project manager. Furthermore, the scope of IT jobs is expanding, as there are many technological developments in many fields, such as finance, consulting, education, and one of the biggest, medical. So IT jobs are developing in these other fields because all these are relying on IT. IT now. Again, the field of IT still has a lot of room to expand. So far, the world of IT has done so much to help the world. The software that people with careers in IT have created has an impact on almost all our lives every day, no matter how young or how old you may be. In the modern-day classroom, technology plays a big role, not only in giving students resources to learn from, such as online databases or websites, but also by creating online communication with teachers and classmates, and by having a database, which may vary by school, with each child's information in order to track the student's education and academic levels throughout the years. These databases may include information about health, even about the student's health conditions, or it may include information about the student's grades or test scores. Software created by IT also has many medical applications that has given numerous patients suffering from a variety of different diseases much ease. Software from 3D printing allows for doctors to replicate tissues in the body that are not functioning correctly. This has a big significance in the medical field. Communication devices in the field of medicine also help patients, such as monitoring devices that allow doctors to track the patient's recovery with the device, which allows patients to stay at home. Furthermore, IT software can prescribe a drug for a patient, by analyzing tests that the patient has taken. So the patient doesn't actually have to go to the doctors to get their certain drug or medicine based on their disease. The AI software can prescribe the drug depending on the disease. AI can also perform a surgery with acute detail that might be needed, whereas a doctor may not be able to have this acute detail because we're humans, so it might be a little hard to get into the details. So, overall, technology has impacted our lives, and I just named a few ways that this impact was made, but there are many more in many different fields. The future of IT. Scientists and experts in the field predict that information technology can do much more in the span of only a couple of years, let alone decades. For instance, they propose that technology will be able to read human handwriting without any error. In the medical field, the possibilities are endless. It can go from just having a picture of your problem and getting an artificial intelligence program to analyze it and send you results, to a notification on your watch to tell you if you're about to get a seizure. Information technology also plays a paramount role in the food industry by creating a food and then being able to taste it using artificial intelligence sensors instead of humans. For instance, if the food might contain some bad thing for humans to have, such as some bacteria created, then the artificial intelligence sensors can sense this instead of human testers, and this eliminates many problems, such as humans having to have a disease because of this trial food. So that was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Here are just a couple of citations I used for the content and pictures for this video. Here are a couple more citations I used for this video. And here are a couple more. And here are the last bit of citations. Again, I hope you enjoyed this video and learned a lot about IT, the IT world, and the future of IT. And if you like these kinds of computer videos, then please subscribe to this channel and that big red subscribe button, and also press that little bell, and that'll send you notifications whenever I post new videos. On this channel, there are also a bunch of other educational videos that you can watch, such as biology videos or book reviews. If you have any questions about this video, then please leave them in the comments below, and if you have any ideas for future videos, then you can also leave those in the comments below. Thanks for watching!